people, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by today's title, y'all, I will be doing a wig bleach and dye. So I'll be dyeing my wig and also bleaching it, and I'm gonna bring y'all guys along, basically showing y'all how I do it and everything. And this is my second time doing it. First time it didn't come out right, so let's just hope that the second time I do it, it comes out good and everything. But anyways, yeah, so I'm dyeing my wig like a type of brownish color, like a light brown. I'm trying to go for a light brown color or maybe ginger, I don't know which one. But here's like a like an example like of how I want it to come out, like this one right here, because this is very cute. Like, I like this color. But I have a feeling that it might actually come out let me show you, in this color right here. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you the colors actually what I got, and it's by the company called Adore. So I got this in Adore Cinnamon. Yeah, so Adore Cinnamon color 58, and then I also got Adore Spiced Amber in color 46 and number 46. So this is how it looks, Spiced Amber. So yeah, I'm trying to go for like a light brown color. Maybe it might come out dark, I don't know, but let's just hope it comes out right as I want it. So I'm gonna bring y'all guys along. We're gonna head over to the restroom, you know, to the bathroom, and yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all guys along, show y'all how I'm doing it, the process, everything. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig that I have right here. It's just a natural black wig right here. So I'm gonna now do a water bleach bath with it. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So what you need to start it off with is 2 scoops of hair bleach, and I will be using the 40 volume developer to mix it with. Also, this is the brand I use for the hair bleach powder. And you'll want your mixture to be a pasty texture. Once you're done mixing it, pour it into a plastic bowl or container.
Baby, you a little 48, baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the no.
Now pour in your hot/boiling water into the mixture and mix very well. FYI, don't add too much water.
Outside, text you, but I know you probably coincide. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers, and we got adopted by some flip for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
I added a little bit more bleach powder and developer because I felt like it wasn't enough. I also forgot to mention, but spray got to be glued the yellow can on the inside part of the lace and let it dry before adding it to the mixture. Then you're going to add in the wig and make sure it's well coated.
Show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you're doing.
What you want to do now is go in with a paddle brush and brush the hair thoroughly so that it's very coated in the mixture.
At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Now I'm going to lay aluminum foil on top of the wig and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it's light enough, and keep an eye on it. Now that the time is over, I went to check if the color of the wig got lighter, but it didn't. So I rinsed it out and did another batch of the bleach, hoping for it to get lighter.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause
Instead of adding water in this time, I just add the hair bleach mixture onto the wig and let it sit for like 20 minutes. And also make sure not to put too much bleach on the root or it will over bleach it, making it turn to a reddish orange color, which you don't want at all.
New off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime,
Now that the time is up, I rinse the wig and brush out all the products that was on it thoroughly and use purple shampoo to wash it out.
doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Now we're on to the water dye. I poured boiling water into the container and a little bit of cold water because it was too hot. So I will be using the hair dye colors in spiced amber and cinnamon. I'm going to add the full thing of the cinnamon dye and then pour a half of spiced amber into the mixture and mix well. I took a piece of tissue paper and dipped it into the mixture to see how the color will turn out to look. But I wasn't quite satisfied with the color a little bit, so I added just a little bit of spiced amber to it. So now you're going to take the wig and dip it into the water. Use a paddle brush to nicely coat the dye evenly through the hair. And once done, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm washing it out with a little bit of purple shampoo. You will also want to let the purple shampoo sit for a little minute on the root to remove the brassy color. Okay y'all, so this is how the hair turned out to be. You see it's like bone straight down, like it's so flat on the top, which is good. I wish that y'all could really see the color. It's not really shown on here, but it's quite brown. I'm gonna show y'all, like, yeah, see, it's like brownish color. But yeah, this is how it looks. And I feel like the hairline is given, like, the hairline looks so good. I think I might insert another clip of this, like, once I install it, or just another clip. But yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah. Okay, hey y'all, I'm finally back. So this is how the wig looks like on my head. It looks so freaking good. Like, I really installed this wig so good. Like, the color, I love the color, everything about it. Like, just like get into it, the edges, everything is just so laid down perfectly nice. I don't know what's wrong with my voice, but anyways y'all, this color turned out so nice. If I can really see, it's like giving like brownish. It's like highlights, some few highlights in the back over there. But yeah, this is how it looks. It looks so freaking good though. I love it so much. I was actually planning on like re-dyeing it to get it to the color that I wanted, but I love this color. I'm not even gonna lie, like, this color is literally so nice. So yeah, this is like the finished product of how the color turned out to be from like 1B to now, like, I'm gonna say color 30. Probably much darker, but yeah, this is how the color turned out to be, and I'm loving it. And this is like my second time doing the middle part, I would say. I'm not really a middle part type of person. Like, I love side parts, but it actually quite fit me, so I actually like it though. So yeah, It looks good. The edges are laid. Everything's laid. Hair laid. I'm so happy with it. Like, I'm just so happy. Anyways, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video of me dyeing the wig, you know, bleaching it and dyeing it. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Like, if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Subscribe and turn on your post notifications for any new videos that I'll upload. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.